Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Vaibhav wrote a certain number of positive prime numbers on a piece of paper. Vikram wrote down the product of all the possible triplets among those numbers. For every pair of numbers written by Vikram, Vishal wrote down the corresponding GCD. If 90 of the numbers written by Vishal were prime, then Vaibhav wrote dash numbers. So, say Vaibhav wrote m prime numbers. Then Vikram wrote down n is equal to MC3 numbers of the form Pi, Pj, Pk, where Pi, Pj, Pk are the numbers written by Vaibhav. Now Vishal wrote n into n minus 1 by 2 instances of some numbers. We got this n into n minus 1 by 2 as NC2. Some of these were 1 and hence not prime. Each of the prime numbers of Vaibhav was written down by Vishal a certain number of times. So each prime number of Vaibhav was written by Vishal a certain number of times. Consider one particular number, say P1. Then the other m minus 1 numbers, we have to count pairs of numbers of the form P1, Pi, Pj and P1, Pr, Ps, where no two of ij, rs are equal and none of them is equal to 1. So the number of ways of choosing Pi, Pj is m minus 1 C2. Among the remaining m minus 3 numbers, the number of ways of choosing 2 is m minus 3 C2, but in the product m minus 1 C2, m minus 3 C2, each such pair has been counted twice. Therefore, the number of distinct pairs is equal to m minus 1 C2 into m minus 3 C2 by 2. Now Vishal writes down so many numbers for each of the m primes of Vaibhav. So number of instances of primes, number of instances of primes that Vishal writes is equal to m into m minus 1 C2 into m minus 3 C2 by 2. Therefore, m by 2 into m minus 1 m minus 2 by 2 into m minus 3 m minus 4 by 2 is equal to 90. And so, on solving for m, we get m to be equal to 6. So, Vabhav wrote 6 numbers.